Hey guys, welcome back to TechOgram. Today we can learn the shortest job first method of CPU scheduling. So let's get started. In these there are two types, a non-preemptive and preemptive. So non-preemptive means once a process is started, it should have to be completed, and preemptive means if a shorter job arrives, then we have to replace the job which is processing. So first let me write a question. So this is our question. You can see there are three processes. The burst time is 3 to 5 and the arrival time is 1 to 0. So as usual in this CPU scheduling method, you have to always make a Gantt chart. So write Gantt, and now we will again start it from, this will always be started from 0, so 0. And now you have to see which process arrived the first. So you can see the shortest job according to the burst time is 2, but the 2 arrives on the timeline 2 and we are on 0, so only one process arrived on 0. So we have to write the P3 because you can see the arrival time of P3 is 0 and the P2 is smaller but it arrived on the 2. So first, because this is the non-preemptive method, once the job is started, it should be completed. So first we will write the P3 because it has arrived on the 0 timeline, and then there are 5 milliseconds, so write 5. So from 0 to 5, P3 process is taken. Now when we reach the 5, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We was on 0 and now we are on 5. So there are 4 time points of a process arriving. So you can see both these process P1 and P2 arrived, and now because both the process arrived, because we are already on 5th and there are 4 spaces, so already these 2 process arrived. Now we have to select the process which has the shorter burst time because this is the shortest job first. So now we can write the second process which will be the P2, because from 3 and 2 is the smaller one, so write P2 and add it to the burst time, which is 5 plus 2 equals to 7. And now the one remaining process P1, so add the remaining burst time, which is 10. So 7 plus 3 10, 5 plus 2 7. Now again you have to find all the waiting time, starting time, finish time. So starting time, waiting time, then finish time, and then the turn around time. So the starting time, as I said in the previous video, if you have not checked out the previous video, go check them out. In the previous video I already explained that for starting time you have to always look from the left side. So starting time, so the starting time of P3 is 0, so write 0. Then the second process P2, the starting time is 5, so write 5. And then the starting time of P1 is 7, so write 7. And then for the finish time, because to find the waiting time we have to subtract the finish time minus starting time, so we need to find the finish time first. So always look from the right side to find the finish time. So the finish time will be from the right side. So the P1 finished at 10, so write 10. The P2 finished at 7 and the P3 finished at 5. Then subtract the finish time minus starting time to find the waiting time. So 10 minus 7 equals to 3, 7 minus 2 equals to 5, 5 minus 0 equals to 5. And we have to find the average waiting time, so we will take the sum of these. And then to find the turnaround time, the formula is finish time minus arrival time. So this is the finish time, this is the arrival time. So 10 minus 1 equals to 9, 7 minus 2 equals to 5, and 5 minus 0 equals to 5. So the total here will be 9 plus 5 40 plus 5 90, and here the total will be 10. So to find the average waiting time, divide the total waiting time by the number of process. So the total waiting time is 10, processes are 3, so the answer will be 3.33 milliseconds. And for the average turnaround time, the formula is same, total turnaround time divided by the number of process, so the answer will be some 333 milliseconds. This is how you can find the CPU scheduling by using the shortest job first non-preemptive method. The preemptive method video will be uploaded soon. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, press the like button. If you have any question, comment, query or suggestion, leave that in the comment box. Subscribe for more. Bye.